Hi, I'm Rich Tanis.
And I'm Rod Tanis.
And we're the RC Twins.
Yes, we are.
I hope it's a beautiful day when you're watching this video so that you can push the subscribe button
And hit that bell.
and leave us a comment and share it everywhere.
That would be awesome.
That would be very much appreciated.
Thanks so much. So here it is. Bristling with cameras and so on.
Yeah, I like the selfie stick one. That's my favorite.
Let's go ahead, yes. Let's go
Yep.
ahead and take and get batteries out. Sure.
Hey, babe. Someday we're going to make a video about this thing here. This is our battery charger. I built this out of some Tech material and things like that. And you probably get tons of footage on it, but
Man metal.
you know, it is man metal. Completely of man metal. We're big fans of the high-tech chargers, by the way. And that's really been a winner for us.
Yeah,
Specifically
the
the
X2700, yeah.
Yeah, that's really
Great
been
charger.
fantastic. So we'll put that on one of the many battery sleds that he's made and makes it easy to put in there and so on. And then old Race Bannon will go in there. Everybody remembers Race Bannon, don't you? Johnny
Right.
Quest.
Oh, yeah.
He was the tough guy, Johnny Quest.
That's right.
He says,
Come on over, you overgrown skyscraper.
yeah.
That's
yeah.
right.
Yeah, that's what we
I
want.
proceeded to beat their
You know,
nine in.
yeah, right.
Yeah.
You know, back when, you know, even cartoons for kids was a little bit on the,
Oh, yeah. Yeah.
you know, politically correct. Well, anyway.
Yeah, we rigged it up so, you know, we got this, can just connect right up with this.
Yep.
And that's just all connects up and it all slides right up in there, done. And so it's not this terrible job getting batteries in and out. It's kind of the key to make it work.
Bringing her out to the flying field. Cameras.
Turn them on.
So we don't have one facing backwards this time, or what? I think I already had. Okay, got one on the bottom yet.
Yeah.
So hard, you know, to work these GoPros. Got one click of flaps on, so. Yeah, it's kind of gutless that way, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah. That's the way that is.
All right, so let's use a cowboy airplane, so.
How about that?
Oh, way to keep it straight. It sure wanted to turn on you, didn't
That
it?
sure did. Yep, yep. A lot of
Yeah.
rudder required. Got to be all
Yep.
over it, not be shy.
It is a Cub, you know, and you have to use the rudder. And, you know, a lot of pilots never really use the rudder very much at all because it's kind of a weird input. But you absolutely is required to fly this airplane.
A lot.
Yep.
A lot.
Not just a
I
little.
mean, I had full rudder on there right at the end to keep it in the straight line. That's,
Yep.
Just go for it. Dump it all in.
Yep. So got a beautiful 9-mile-an-hour headwind here, approximately. You know, this makes for a nice takeoff. You know, in bush plane fashion. Okay. You know, let's see it again. Let's see how that goes. Let's.
Diesel electric motor.
Yeah, yeah. Keep a nice runway heading here. There you go. There you go. Oh, there goes. It's a GoPro. Hit it. Yeah.
There you go, we cleared everything. Good job. Good job. Pretty, pretty. There you go. Excellent.
What do you think of this thing? You know, it's
Well, you know, the tires make it fly a little extra squirrely. You know, it's
well, we do
extra
that on
weight.
purpose.
Yeah,
and it
extra
makes
weight.
you land it right.
Yeah,
too.
yeah, I
Way more
really,
control.
really like the way it flies better with just one click of flaps,
Yep.
maybe 15 degrees or something.
Yep, doesn't have a tendency to have a violent tip or anything like that to
No.
it. It
You can
holds
see-
lift longer.
What do we got? 8 miles an hour, and it really, you know,
Yeah.
lands nice and slow.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah, it's
so
stroller speed.
it's
you know.
best not to fly it on a night where it's dead. You
Yeah.
know, because you just that much more speed then. You know, it's a big airplane. Fly it in the wind.
Yeah, you look at all of the bush plane competitions, you know, for landing, and they always got, you know, just a ripping wind.
30 mile an hour wind. Yeah, that's what they want.
So that's just makes it easier.
Yeah.
You know,
All right.
beautiful.
Pretty good.
Yeah, all done, all through, I guess. You know, it's through.
I'm over here now.
It's done, through.